for Money Runs host, myself and Becca Bliss, to rub mind alongside the workshop host, the birthday boy.
Birthday man.
Sorry, birthday man.
Please.
What's wrong with the man when you say so?
You don't like her. You don't like her.
Forbid to come. You want me to come be boy.
See boy,
don't
for
like
you.
her.
Even this boy, they don't claim man already.
This one a child. This one not be boy. This one a child.
Birthday time.
So now you call me boy.
Now child. Anybody whenever they work, they make money, take care of himself.
Where
That's
do they
still child.
collect money from
Where they
the
depend on
parents?
him. Now child.
Even though they don't pass it.
Oh yeah, what? Are you they pay your school fees?
If you ask am, passport when you just go, they will pay am because
No, you they pay your school fees.
You say that your papa pay and I mean, don't
Don't
forget.
forget.
You want lie here.
A child no fit afford girlfriend. You fit take care of them.
Kilisi will get like almost how many girlfriends?
No, child is get. You see.
Kilisi
This
get
one no
20
fit afford
girlfriends.
girlfriend.
No, you not fit afford. Don't be say you not get to.
You
God
get
no.
to. You get like 7.
I say.
I not fit afford Benz. Don't be say I not fit drive my guy Benz.
R&B.
Uh-huh.
The fact say boy they play with girl wey dem dey the same class for school or the same level no mean say na him girlfriend. He get female friends wey be him
So
mates.
in a temporary.
To talk about avoiding girlfriend, if him girlfriend call her now say I need to make my hair this weekend this year, wetin him go talk? My daddy
Why the girl not get papa?
my daddy had not given me
Hold on,
allowance.
the girl not get
Now
papa.
they tell you that's why she no be him girlfriend. She be him mate. She be him friend.
Oh nah, not look at like that too.
R&B.
She get
Kilisi
doings.
get
No,
money, oh.
get
Doings. But see, Godwin. Now, more your clear small things right now. At least all of us know say our eyes they open small. See, I think the level won't dey right now. More not they make relationship all about
Yeah.
transaction,
Exactly.
what you get to offer money wise or whatsoever. Because on the normal level, for the level when Kilishi they for the first say see this school and as you talk and say if papa see they pay school fees and the same way that girl papa
See they pay
supposed
our
to they
school
pay school
fees,
fees
too.
and they take care of his need.
That-
So nothing like body girlfriend body supposed to on top Kilishi.
That's why
body.
two of them not supposed to be boyfriend and
No,
girlfriend. They're supposed to be
that does not
classmates.
stop. Godwin, that does not stop.
R&B,
them
no. If you
going
want,
to
if they
relationship.
want go into a relationship
Human
and be
nature
boyfriend
by
and
human
girlfriend,
nature and the
it-
emotion when you go down the feel at the age when you dey right now.
that is why they not supposed. If they feel that emotion, you need to look for a
Control
way to control them.
How you
Because
want to control am?
if you allow
If you
them
go to
say
subpoena, you
R&B,
say,
if
"Na
you say
bad
them
child."
if you say them get right to enter boyfriend
Yeah.
and girlfriend relationship and say more no make am based on the fit take care of, we know result when they come from that kind of thing. Can they take care of the result?
Not be everybody when get. Not be everybody
But we
when
know
get
so many
girlfriend
people
go
wait there
give am
for
belle
we
now.
know so many people wait there for streets where that results don't end up.
Those
What
people
thing they
wey
happen?
dey for street wey not there exposed. Me and you don't fit discuss this topic.
No,
before.
we dey talk
Say
about
change
people wey
don
dey
dey for
street
time.
now.
Yes.
People wey dey street now wey be
Now,
say
wey make that mistake
wey be say
that
their
time.
people their parents make the mistake. Some of them their parents tell them say okay I don't want
I wan
anyhow
ask
for
you
this
question.
thing.
You
Then
get
dey for
girlfriend
road.
for school, you give am belle? No.
When I dey for-
give am belle? No.
The
Okay,
time
you not
the
get.
time where I dey get girlfriend where I this on this square,
Yes.
I no dey do anything.
Wetin I call it? Okay.
You know, so now waiting they
The
talk,
happiness
like,
of say
in
I see
Papa.
you see me we sit down dey gist.
But na the yes.
But we no dey touch, we no dey do all those things.
That one are your decision.
No be say na my decision. Na
But
the
guy use the
responsibility.
responsibility kill you.
No.
No. So
The-
you say the boy. Sorry, how you
See.
say talk just now?
This
Wetin you get
shide,
what you talk?
this shide.
Yeah, this one not supposed to get girlfriend because
No
don't be take
call
care
her
of
this
it.
one, this shide.
Sorry, no, don't call her child. Now, I don't like her. You know why you dey call her child?
We are calling
See,
boy.
Sorry.
R&B
This
see,
boy.
relationship plenty things dey involved.
Yeah.
Even at the
But don't
tender
make it
even at the
financial
tender even at the tender age.
Yes.
If they wan go
All
cinema
this kilishi.
if they wan go cinema
Yeah.
at their age dem suppose dey go cinema. Who go buy the ticket?
First of all,
Who go
if
buy
they-
the
hold
popcorn?
on. If they decide to afford,
Who go
hold
pay the
on now,
transport?
How much be kilishi? I'm sorry. How much? How much be?
R&B,
how much be cinema ticket?
R&B you go school why you dey talk like say when you
How
dey in
much?
age you know now you dey manage pocket money they dey give you.
Yes, but I see they throw small doings. But whoever I deal with that time, not feel say because I be boyfriend. You go carry
collect all
problem.
responsibility.
When papa supposed solve, give her.
I understand. The
You
girl
get-
sef no the girl get sense she go dey take care of something by herself. But even though say you know say the girl
Yeah.
get her by herself,
Yeah.
e get some small one wey you go dey do
Like buy lunch.
beyond. Yes, as a
I dey
boy.
buy lunch.
Now they talk so.
Make card.
Boy
I
wey
don save that.
if you dey talk if you dey encourage kilichi maybe because papa dey give am better pocket money. What about the one wey be say im pocket money never even reach am?
Now why the girl not supposed look towards the boy say because we want share. See the age when they dey you not fit deny the fact say they must get the feeling for girl or girl must get feeling for boy. Now normal if you study human.
Na that feeling go
behaviour.
make them normal. Acting on the feeling na only when
So
you
make dem
fit
no
take
come
care
get.
of certain responsibilities you need
So
to
when they not come
act.
get now
No, you get the feeling they keep and say when I reach to take care of responsibility I go act on this feeling.
because you can't get girlfriend.
You know, they just get girlfriend, hang out, we just sit down, gist, laugh, I like you,
So
finish.
what you
Don't
supposed to
touch
do?
it,
No,
touch
hold on.
it.
What you not supposed to do before?
And then they discuss, okay, what do you want to be in future?
Which one they avoid? Which they avoid? Which one they avoid? I want you to say.
Man, I tell you. Why not me
God,
see?
which one?
The kind of relationship where they go get. How are you? How was lecture? How was
Okay.
this week? Fine.
Which one they feel say they're not supposed to get?
The moment they begin to go cinema too much,
Uh-huh.
they day alone.
Yes.
From being alone, you go touch
Something
hand,
touchy.
dress near each other, peck, kiss. Before you know anything that happen,
They will take each
let's
other.
try it.
Uh-huh.
You understand? Then go from no go try. It was a mistake. Cry don't come.
I don't, you don't get experience. This boy.
Truth na
Call
say,
this boy.
Sorry, this
may I
boy.
tell you, make
From the
I
explanation, I
Mike come inside. Truth na say, Godwin they talk from the
From
point,
experience.
not be experience,
From point of-
from
if a-
point
a
of a
father.
father. That na the truth.
Okay.
Because him son go soon become teenager.
son-
He's so don't- he don't have
14,
any
abi 15.
touch my son already.
It gonna be 13 by August.
13.
So in the talk from that point of
Because
a
maybe
of a
his son
father,
dey listen
because
right now,
very
so.
soon now, before you know it happen, he's not gonna tell them say get one girl why they see you. I like the girl,
Make I even tell now one thing.
It
and
don't
that's
end
not the
already.
truth.
Now my wife now enter room last week. Come to me say, you don't notice say this
Your
our son. Sometimes we just dey for us.
Only go your side.
If you wear boxer, he be like say Ngbola dey. I say no.
no,
I say
the
no.
girl
I say
was
I say which time of the
The
day
girl-
you notice
the girl
am?
was that early in
He
the
say
morning.
mostly I say na morning. I say
Na
na
morning,
boy.
yeah,
na.
na normal
You know,
thing,
so
na
me say
normal
come call my. I come call and come say. So how do you feel when you wake up in the morning? He said nothing. I say I can't look at. I'm like, so do you? I couldn't ask her. Say, do you have erection? He said yes. When I want to wee and all that. I say okay. Don't normal day if you are working in the house. Does he? I say no.
Only when you wake up.
So I can't notice say not be just say because now when he wake up, it's a bit on the big side.
Okay, he did
Yeah.
well. So your wife
He
never.
dey well.
Your
Yeah,
wife
so
was
it's a bit on the. You understand? But
heritage.
you understand? So that she called tell me say you better start getting the conversation with this boy. Yo.
Yeah.
So
you need
okay,
to start
I
am.
don't dey follow and talk about all
But
those.
also,
kind of-
let you know, Godwin, you know if you stop from your son from having a girlfriend because at the stage where you did right now, emotion don't they get the feeling I like this girl.
He
I
never
suppose
begin.
talk
No,
to
he
her.
never begin to get her now.
You don't get the conversation with her.
At 13 years, he never even begin to do that kind of thing.
No ruler.
No, Arabi.
No.
Man, tell you what, I don't
See,
follow
I
and
say
talk.
you want- you
Arabi,
want
I don't follow and
pretend.
talk.
Especially
They know
when
they
you
know the
conversation with
energy
her.
for me.
Yes.
What is there in mind now?
Yeah.
Nah, you don't tell me this is in mind. Make I buy him informal football boots, no they size am. Make I buy him football boots.
Yeah.
Buy him new set of jerseys, then they size am.
Yeah.
Then make am do timetable when I go they carry him every weekend. Go play ball with him classmates where they play because if he come school on Monday, they gist what he happen for feed. And he know they go. So that one. And then not be by himself, not me by myself. When I they go drop them for school, one day tell me say, so when will I start going to school by myself? I said for what? For this Lagos where we deny one day.
Go
He
school
said,
by
I
yourself.
can't. So now I need the driver and this school. If they want me, daddy, don't go. Stop here. I go stop at a particular distance. Main stroke go school
So
by
if you
himself.
say now waiting, they think about be that.
So in your nana, he knows they don't they mature.
Yeah.
So he want to be like in other guys. Even if their parents can't drop them, their parents they drop them from a distance.
No,
They go they walk.
contract, yeah.
Not be I will come drive this
Damn.
school. We go come down.
Thank you,
Everybody.
daddy. Love you.
Yeah, all those kind of things. Exactly. All those kind of daddy. Love you, daddy. You know what? Drop me from a distance. So I call the tell Baba say, maybe they don't the rehab am for school. Say,
Your papa
your
don't-
papa will drop you. Be daddy's boy.
Why I shock you?
If you be say one get to the trek.
Eat too much for one check. You
No,
never know.
no, you know what
Don't
happened?
rule her
No,
out.
no, you know what I think no say no big girl.
Why?
Because
You
a lot
follow
of
one
times
out.
when I they carry and go school, go to school.
Eh.
So many of him classmates, I go see them for road, guys,
train
where they
you
walk
up,
out.
yeah.
So now someone go they whine and they hail them. Hey,
Yeah.
you know they hail them. Nero, how are you? Sometimes if I don't drop the younger brother and the sister,
Yeah.
the car, I go stop. Those ones go enter inside. I will
yeah.
carry them go. So I know say now waiting those boys they do inside one day.
But whether you like or not, Godwin, na 13, before 14, before 15, that emotion go dog coin, go dog. So you as a parent now need to also stay closer and let her know say even though say you want get girlfriend. You see now mistake when some of our parents make when make some people get picky at a young age when you complain about because they not tell us the thing when they're supposed to tell us. Instead, you're not supposed to do this. So run. Meanwhile,
If man
as a child,
a man just
as a
touch you,
teenager,
you get belly, all those kind of
and then they
things.
forget as a teenager, we dey like explore. So the moment you tell us say not do this, we dey like why if they tell us not to do this thing? So you go one go try to find that.
That's why I dey talk say
You need to talk to
in
am.
terms of Kelechi own.
Yeah.
As him don dey grow, as
Yeah.
I dey notice say changes don dey come.
Okay, how old are you?
Now I go dey 19. Now I go dey tell am at
Kelechi na adult na.
because na adult. Now they talk say
adult, na.
at this age, as him don
My
dey grow.
brother-in-law when you get pikin na you just complete 20.
Oh,
Kelechi
as my son dey go, as I dey see am, so at every point I go dey let am understand relationship and responsibilities.
Civility.
And even so, if at a particular point you begin dey get feelings dey like girl, see how to act on am at a certain point. See
Yeah.
wetin see the limit. It gets level wey you go reach.
Also
you go begin
teach her how
go.
to use condom. Let her know.
No,
Very important.
R&B.
Godwin.
At every point,
After
when the time
10
come for
years
that
old.
one,
13, no,
Make
no,
it
it's
start.
as they
No.
grow, as time don dey
When
go,
you don't
need
reach
to
that
bring
stage to
conversation.
know.
At what age you feel say you need to let her know about use of condom?
no, once you don't immediately just finish secondary school
Okay.
because he go finish secondary school before
Yeah.
18.
18.
You know why?
No,
Because
no,
if you finish secondary school na university next, and I no go dey there.
No, you go Sami use condom.
I no go dey university for that.
Hold on.
You understand?
Yeah.
So the moment
he
he finish secondary school,
by
he
16.
go finish by 16.
16, yeah.
So at that point,
Like,
I go let her know
very important,
because when
very
he go
necessary.
school finish, I no go dey
Invest-
there.
You know,
You
even
went on
get
that ball
choice
game.
than to let these children know because internet.
They
The
go
moment
know.
you
They go know by
go
their
there,
self.
internet.
I mean, I give get some way they talk. No, those things where apparently go say if you sit down close to boy, you go
Yeah.
get
You
belle.
get belle.
A few months ago, my secondary school class they come visit me for house and with the gist. They stay with the principal of our then secondary school, you know. So that one don't want them say, see, you don't they grow, you don't they become no allow boys
Ma
to
touch you.
touch you, you know you go get belle. So one of those days now one boy for class can't touch him. If you see how she vex,
They
beat
shout.
the guy, beat him, correct mixing like this, pack some put for him out. So they can't carry herself and the guy go principal office.
Can't go explain.
Then she can't say, why did you fight? He said,
Don't give am belle.
no be you tell me say if man touch me,
You go give am
he
belle.
go give me, I go get belle, and he touch me. Say the other teacher just carry am for her, say
You go shock.
Princey. Now so they just waka comot quietly.
Yes, and they will shock you. I think the
Because
reason
at that point
you not
in
go blame
time-
our parents that time on serious no because if you really I think most of the things where our parents try to do, they do one from the aspect of fear because they believe say if they tell us in that aspect of fear, say we go avoid that. But knowing for them, they find out, they not know say some of us we
No,
get
no,
coconut head.
you
Some
know,
of us
say-
don already spoil before they
We
finish
don't spoil
them.
You
before
know,
they-
say
yeah,
that is
you
why
get.
when you go see say when somebody they do wedding and when the parent they see say the wife they exchange kissing.
Kiss your
The
shine.
parents go there.
They're gonna shock.
They do face like
Like this,
So
like-
what do you expect?
I don't go court wedding. I don't go court wedding when they tell the man and the woman say, oh
They
yeah,
kiss the
they
bride.
kiss the bride. The papa say,
No.
they are not married yet. No, they never married yet. He said, well, so what will they do for here? Now she look the woman and the man. Oh yeah,
Ah,
like this one accept Jare, what they do now. He said they
I
never
think-
do church
I
wedding
think there
yet.
is this. We dey always try to create this gap because it just be like as me and you did now. We don't get children. In years come, our children fit don dey like the age when you say your pikin go enter school. We now we go forget say we too we fit be like them
yeah.
before. So because our parents that protection say we got give them as a parent, we forget say we get experience the same way. I want to explain. I want to
You
explain.
don't get prior experience.
You don't get prior experience. So you know they base your teaching or your communication on top of that experience anymore. You dey base on top say you got protect your pikin
Children,
based on say you be
exactly.
papa and mama.
Yes.
So most time you can't deny the fact say you don't fit be pikin or you don't fit be or you don't fit experience things for that age. You know what they talk to because sometimes they be like, okay, what if my pikin start to dey go school right now and it don't reach that age when me and you dey talk about say you got let her know. I want tell her say okay, no, you need to stop this, you need to stop that. Or I want let her know from my own experience. Say, so rightful. Say you need this finish go come, but you need to dey extra careful. Don't do this, don't do that, don't do that. Because they not tell me like that. You get most of our teaching. What they
Nobody tell us.
They not tell
Nobody
most of
tell
our
us. Nobody
experience.
tell
We
us.
go learn now.
Nah, threats. My
Now
papa
because
go
of
say,
that one make you they get girlfriend for primary school, right?
Come on for you. I want to contact them. Come be like, what did they tell us now lie? So most time when they can't tell us, they will say now lie. They lie because the one where they first tell us, we don't test her. Not be as they talk.
They
and you
don't
get. So
tell
you
us.
get play.
They don't tell us. That's why when all those auntie then they take advantage of us.
We don't know.
We don't know who to report to.
To.
Even
no.
though say we somehow we they tell ourselves So wetin?
until we dey use am
I
plan
enjoy
now.
am o. So you enjoy am. Okay.
Especially the boy child. See, I even feel, I dey tell my girl as I feel say the abuse on boy child, sexual
He
abuse
don
on boy
stress,
child.
he done too much now.
He too much pass the girl
Girl
child.
child.
Oh. Now just say most of us when they abuse us that
We
time,
no report.
Speak up.
we dey use that boast.
Yes, na.
That he put me on that leg. He do me. Let's be sincere.
Yeah, true.
But wetin we no know be say on the long run, that thing affect us.
Yeah.
Like when I mean it affect most of us mentally. Like for most of us not even know say it affect us. Like you can't like mature people. Like
Me I see
steady.
the
Like
picture of that very first time with.
The auntie wey do am to you.
Yes,
Yes, now.
the picture be like na
But you feel say
it be
na
like na
this
yesterday. I see they see everything
But that thing dey
clearly.
troublesome.
I no fit forget that
Abeg.
picture.
E dey traumatic.
I bet more try
I
if
never
you
see am
get.
since then.
What I want use and do?
I never see am.
Yeah, so I can't leave.
No, since I leave that place, I no see
So
am.
wait, now because now from there, this your advice for other women take come from, right?
I feel so. I feel so. Now why when I want to settle down, I tell myself say, no, I not feel marry Oda, but it was a personal battle on my own. Yeah, you get now which I know they really want talk about like openly, like seriously. No, not go. You not go even know say now they disturb you until you don't reach that age of healing. You can't realize say, oh, now why you they do this thing? Now it be this. So now waiting you experience for small picking. Because what you tell pikin, you go take as way of life.
Yeah.
So subconsciously you don't talk, oh, now what I supposed to do be this. So
Don't dey there.
you get the next thing, they go for this one, they go for that one, they go for that one.
Oh yeah,
But let's
maybe leave
proceed.
that
The more
man.
leave this one.
Yes,
There's a waiting.
a new development. You know,
Who they
say,
do am? Lagos
na-
State?
yes. Now last week we talked about the fact say they don't set new rules for traffic offenders. Right now they say the Lagos State government
Don't
don't
wash their hand,
disclaim
comot.
the viral post of that new traffic offences and fines. They talk say the Lagos State government don't distance themselves from that new Lagos traffic offences and fines wey circulate on social media platforms where they advise motoring public say make dem disregard information in its entirety because they say na false and e no originate from the Ministry of Transportation or Lagos State Traffic Management Authority last month.
Okay.
From wetin their the commissioner talk, they say a statement wey dey signed by the commissioner for transportation, Dr. Frederick Oladeyinde, wey they released on Monday yesterday. He emphasized say the purported new Lagos traffic law were not issued by the Lagos State government, warning all road users to be wary of unscrupulous and
Because they don't start to
faceless
dey add on top of
elements
Yes.
who are out to scam unsuspecting Lagosians of their hard-earned money. He say why noting that the existing Lagos traffic laws are still in operation. We can inform say interested Lagosians and motoring public can access the state traffic laws on the Ministry of Transportation page through the Lagos State website for www.lagosstate.gov.ng. The letter they write am gidigba. Abi how you Bible to talk am for there. Say you see that matter of last week.
Lagos State the what? The waiting.
Lagos State www.lagosstate.gov.ng.
The existing one when they deal, not be this new one.
Yeah.
So I want to ask why it take that long to come on their hand first because now last week we talked about it in government. It don't they go a week or they will pass.
Maybe
a week
they
now
wait for approval from Oga at the top before
to
they go
take talk am.
Na
So
na.
imagine the
Number of people.
unscrupulous element
Yeah.
where don't take people money right now based on that law for the past. Like you know, say I call you.
Yes, now
Last time,
when you say that they stop people,
They
they
stop
ask
people.
about for tinted glass
Yeah,
and all.
like,
Yeah.
I was like with full kitted policemen and the way they write answer for their back. I thought, oh, they just talk law. Yes, you know, not the art of
Pop immediately.
So why Lagos State government delay before they disclaim?
Why
this
they tell you
law?
it's on a protocol? If somebody if you go react, so they will come say, Oga tell you may you react. Why you react? You understand? So they will need to get their right approval to react. And so they do government thing. I make government things always they slow.
But during
Everything
that
for government
period, none
slow.
of you guys where they drive face any of the.
They're not fit
No,
stop
no,
me.
no,
now.
we know say-
Stop me, care. No.
Very unpressed, really.
No,
They
no.
look more to before
Based
they
on
stop
who I
it.
be, even if the police anybody stop me, and they even give them a chance to ask me any stupid question. The moment they stop me and they wind and say, "Officer, they stop first voice," I be. They say, "Who be there?" I say, "You don't know me." And when I'm like, "Oh, now
They can't leave
they
you.
go because they go. They ask you useless question
Question wey
and
no
waste your
add
time.
up.
You know, and then they let VIU anybody. They stop me and they tell them, "Okay, no stop me. See who I be. See where they go." You understand? Because
But you not just one in millions.
that's
of
why they do my own
Lagos
because I know
and
say that they waste people time unnecessarily. So I not go even give them that chance to waste time unnecessarily. And you know say a lot of them not they reasonable. You know say these days.
But wait, how you go? You use a whole minimum wage as fine.
Fine, yeah.
They even come put JTM join.
Most
traffic
of them,
offences.
police and all those VIO, if they see car, you know, say most of these cars we come from abroad these days now. The glass already they a bit dark somehow because of the
factory
weather.
tinted,
Yeah, factory. They go they follow you argue. If you tell them so the car cannot be you tint them. Meanwhile, all those tinted permits supposed to be for cars where we say you personally go tint by yourself. And that one line they always talk about. Not be the car we come like that from factory for abroad. You go come harass somebody say they tinted. So you go see where person and police they argue whether na factory fitted tinted or na the person tinted myself. Normal two they supposed to know, but sometimes even if they know, they go just want shake the person so that they go see small thing collect.
From your
So it's good at this. It's better late than never. They don't clear the whole matter now. Everybody don't know. Say all those things na lie.
I hope say the people when the unscrupulous elements who also they are aware of this disclaimer when Lagos State government don't do so. And last month also come out their hand from that one. And one. Then you know what?
Sorry,
Yeah.
R&B. When you say unscrupulous elements, on a lighter note, the former governor of Plateau State,
Yeah.
but the first crisis where happened, he say na disgruntled elements.
There is always there's always English to explain all these things. You know. Oh wait, I don't remember Iberibelism. Who used that?
Iberibelism.
Iberibelism. Who?
Nah, I think na
Rochas. No.
na Rocha Sokorocha.
Former governor of Imo State.
Yes, yes. Na call like
Wetin be the meaning of Iberibelism?
He said anyhow behave.
Somebody,
when
you know wetin happen. That one word na Yoruba word. Taba ni ombe Iberibelism.
Serious?
Yes, na
Are you for
ombe.
real?
Yes,
What
I
him be
say-
bear? What ombe they break
Ombe.
or they cut something like that?
no be
What
break.
him be ombe?
He dey jump.
He dey jump.
Yeah, say ombe like say why you no just dey patient make the matter reach you.
He
Why you
said,
dey
but you
jump?
want to jump on top of
eh.
Yoruba they confuse us with this their language. Oh. If ombe na he dey jump, what him be onfo?
You dey jump, no ni.
How can fo and ombe be the same thing?
Don't
Because you
forget.
know say different Yoruba. dey.
Yeah.
Oyo Yoruba different from Ogun
Ondo
State.
Yoruba.
Ondo State.
Because you get another way that same bear fit be something for instance, Eron Bembe meet dey there.
Then you have Beshu yẹn, that means cut the yam.
See, I better hear that.
Bear issue cut. Only that same bear cut,
You
jump.
see that thing we dey always talk
What?
about for Bible. Now here, now Nigeria really be that place. Is it Tower of Babel?
Na Nigeria na.
Na Nigeria. I don't know where that tower dey, but now
You know what happen? The remaining stone wey God take destroy Tower of Babel, na be Aso Rock. That's why they be capital of Nigeria. Na the remaining stone. Only one Yoruba, one word with that many things.
You go ahead.
That's how I remember in those days when in those days when I see the enter bus, you know what I know get so many years ago, when I enter Biaruti, I see that every year don't for two girls go enter one. Because Ekosaye mom, Jabole, no space again more go down. I say, no, Jaduro. I process that word traditionally go say, Jaduro, Duro na wait, abi. Jaduro. She dey say me stand abi. How stand take be duro? I could dey wonder. Okay, Becca now, when she say Jaduro, what is she dey talk?
Make you stand now.
What
And
if
dúró
it-
sókè. Ṣé kó wálẹ̀? Kó dúró sókè.
Okay, so e get another way they fit take still talk say mo stand abi. Which
Oya,
other way?
Lusho.
E dey see wetin I dey tell you so.
Oh, Lusho na sit down, abi? No, Lusho. There is another word, Lusho.
You know what the guy go say Jaduro? Because I fit like I fit understand, hey, duro, wait.
Wait, yeah.
I gonna say how wait stay be stand. I'm telling you, that thing I think from where I did here, this way I dey go. I say, this language confuse me, sha.
You know what I'm saying? There is Igba. There is
Which one is the Igba?
Igba na calabash. Igba na time. Igba na garden egg. Igba
Imagine.
na
So the
200.
differentiation not like the way you take pronounce am.
Exactly.
Okay with my English.
May I give you classic example.
Yeah.
Na garden egg for Hausa na yellow. That na garden egg.
Garden egg. Okay.
Garden egg. So person dey sell garden egg.
Yeah.
Nice person say go back. The person hear guava.
Guava wey we dey shop.
Guava.
Guava.
He say madam no be guava na yellow.
Na yellow.
I say go back.
Okay,
Oh, the guava.
They say as he go, they go
Go back.
Go back. He say madam.
Coffee say they sell.
Guava.
And say no be guava na yellow.
Now we dey Tower of Babel.
I don't say I won't buy. I say go back, go back. I say madam no be guava na
Now
yellow.
what our problem? So we go.